Alright, for the last few months I've had a ton of problems with my Corsair K70 keyboard. It's the RGB rapid fire keyboard, and I've been looking online and with no avail have not found a solution. I've disabled the Corsair utility engine, I've done a ton of other things, and I'm trying to get it to where it quits double typing. It does it all the time. There's 3 of the letters in my password to get into my computer, so it's just aggravating. I have to actually type my password in about 10 to 12 times on average every time I want to use my computer if it's went to sleep or shut down to even get into it. And I finally got fed up with it, and I'm going to show you what I did to fix this issue. Stick around. We now have MajinZendo TV T-shirts available on rayjohn.com. Please check the description below for more details. Also, my cousin Michelle has a YouTube channel called Unicorn and Centaur, Everyday Magic for Extra Equestrians. If you're interested in horses and that type of lifestyle, please go check her out. She's hilarious and it's a really good channel, very informative, and I would appreciate it.
This one's for the crew.
Alright, as you can see on this notepad, 2 of the letters that were the biggest issues were the M and the N. Now I can count out every time I hit the M. Before, if I was to have hit it twice, it would have put this many on there. So now I'm saying M, 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 M. If I go down a few times, N, 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 N. K was another letter that was sticking really bad. So I am now going to show you what I did to get this fixed. So what I ended up doing was taking my knife, and we'll pop one off that's pretty easy to figure to show you. I'll use the 0 one. Anyway, I'll take the 0 off on the number pad. I got the key off, and if you look closely, you can depress the red cherry switch. What I did was I took 91% isopropyl alcohol, depressed the switch, and poured it in. And as crazy as it sounds, yes, I'm doing it with the keyboard on, and then I push the switch up and down like so. Let it get in there real good, and it'll eventually just dry up. It's going to dry up, and it's not going to leave any residue, and it's not going to short out your keyboard whatsoever. So the main 2 things that I saw other people saying were to blow air into it and then use the alcohol. So what I did after that, after I put the alcohol in there, was I got a can of compressed air, and then I would just go up to it after I did that and push down in the switch with the compressed air, all 4 corners, and there's still a little bit of alcohol in this one. And then after that, all I do is put the keycap back on, like so. And then we'll go back to here. And there's no double typing of the number 0 anymore. There's a couple of keys that I still got to get to, I believe. I got to remember which ones it is. I think 9 had an issue. Maybe it was the 0 when I was doing 1920, 1080. I must have fixed. Yeah, it was the 0. So the 0 did need to be fixed, because anytime I was trying to put in resolutions when I was doing thumbnails and stuff, it would do it would type it twice. So yeah, so as you can see, my M's, my N's, my K's, and I just had to get through before I started making this doing the Q. Well, it should be fixed now. We'll push that back down and we'll check it out. Enter down, Q, 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 Q. Yeah, so I know short term this is working great. I don't know the long term effect that this is gonna have. Hopefully it lasts as long as I need it to, because I'm really hoping it was just like dirty keys and stuff that got in there. I do work in a shed, there's a lot of dust that builds up, and I try to keep care of everything, but even when you take just the compressed air to the keyboard, it doesn't get up inside the switches, obviously. So if anything changes, I'll let you know, but for now, this is something like I have never been able just to press the M key or the N or the K 4 times in a row without it doing double to triple numbering. So I'm very excited about this. I hope this helps you out. Again, it's I just got like the cheap Walmart kind. It's 91% isopropyl alcohol, first aid antiseptic. I can't vouch if anything under 91%, but I do know that this is working. It's not shorting out the keyboard even with it still plugged in. And I wasn't real, I put a generous amount in there and then moved the key switch around and let it get up in all of that switch, and I sprayed it out with some compressed air. So hopefully this is a long-term thing. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe for more videos. I try to do these kind of videos when I can, and I will catch you in the next one. Have a good one.